What's up, YouTube? What's up to all my Scrapmanites, all 1,000 of y'all? It's the Sandusky Scrapman, and we finally hit 1,000 subs this Saturday. Today is December the 16th, I believe, and we finally hit 1,000 subs this Saturday, man. So I want to send a shout out to all 1,001 of my subscribers, man. I appreciate y'all, and we're gonna turn up on this baby. And like I promised y'all, when I hit 1,000 subs, I was gonna get a new GoPro. So I'm getting the GoPro 13. I'm getting the GoPro 13 with all the fixes, and so it's gonna be a big thing, man. I just want to make the best videos possible for y'all, so that people will actually want to watch the content, man. I want to make the best videos. And I found this program. It's called Video AI something, right? So when I edit this video, I'm gonna put the description in the link, man. And so the program, it allows you to make shorts out of videos and all type of stuff, man. So I look forward to putting in work with that program and just putting out the best videos possible, man. So we had 1,000, but we trying to get to 10. That's the next goal. 10,000 is the next goal. So if you're watching this video and you ain't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Other than that, we're gonna get to work, y'all. We're gonna keep it pushing, and we're gonna throw it in the truck. Chill. Hey. Okay. Loaded. Get in my truck. I guess my tire was low. Yeah, I'll take it. Just drop it down. Okay. I'll take it. I need to put some air in that tire, man. This little thing came in handy, man. This baby came in handy. Yeah. Yeah. I'll take it. Gotta ask me if it's metal, it's going in. Cast iron. Now you can't drop it, huh? No, I'll take it. You got it. Oh, you gonna let it? Oh, shit.
Hey! The boss wants to keep those Scrapman himself.
Oh.
Hey! He's got to fucking kill himself. He's gonna bring a plasma cutter and cut him up.
Oh.
He thinks weighing a fucking ton. No, boss, keep him those. Bring it right here. Yeah. Sorry, man.
Oh, what's up? I thought they was gonna let it fall down the stairs.
I'm gonna fuck that up. It's a good 600 pounds. Oh my god, you guys are fucking crazy.
It's better off letting it slide. Yeah, they better off letting it slide. Yeah, that could have been ugly.
La money!
Yeah. You don't need no plasma cutter. That's a sledgehammer action. Yeah, I mean.
A ver, háblale. Es que no.
Ready? Find somewhere to grab this fucker. Right?
Oh.
Tip it up. Yep, yep.
Apenas paramos. Espérate, no. ¿Eh? No, no.
You gotta pull it this way.
No, no. 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 No.
Just gonna tip it up. Yeah. Right here, yep. Yep. Easy peasy. Oh shit. Okay. We got our work cut out for us, YouTube. We're gonna have to smash this stuff down, man, because we don't want no wind blowing it out the truck. These probably one of the best shoes to wear for this. Got going on here. All right, should be cool. Shouldn't have nothing flying up out of here. All right. Scrapman nice. I seen some action over here when I rolled by, man. So I'm about to back up. I seen some action over here by this dumpster, man. Look like some yeah, I see a microwave. It look like. I see a microwave. Stop here. Let's see what we got going on, man. Oh, snap. We ain't got no room. Yeah, we ain't got no room for all this. So, we could take that dishwasher. We're gonna have to come back and get this stuff, y'all. We could take those in the dishwasher, man. That's about all we're gonna have room for. I don't know. Whew, I don't know, dog. Can we fit all that in there? Man, we might be able to slide them babies in there, man. The refrigerator gonna be on top. We might be able to pull it off, y'all. Shit. We finna try. We finna try Scrapman nights. Anything less would be uncivilized. Anything less would be uncivilized. Make it do what it do. Scoop that baby over there, and then we can slide that stove in here too. Got going on in here? Nothing. Hell no. Yeah, buddy. That ain't going nowhere for sure. And then we slide that stove in here. You come here too, buddy. Oh, that's some brass. Get in my truck. Oh, and I found a gift. So listen, I just realized I had this app that lets me download clips and gifs, right? So I was going to all these different these different websites that be having glyphs and clips. And my app was not working. It was not allowing me to download the clips and the GIFs. So I ended up coming across this this website called Tenor, something like that. So I ended up coming across that one, and the app that I got, it actually worked on that website. So I was able to download like 50 GIFs last night, man. I can't wait to throw them GIFs in my videos, man. Yeah. And I found a GIF that says, "Get in my truck," or "Get in the truck." So y'all know I'm about to be using that. I'm most definitely using that GIF in my videos. I don't know, we might be able to get them both. Yep, and then we slide that right there. So we was able to fit it all. Now we heading to the scrap yard, man. We're on our way to that yard. Good to go. Oh shit. Yeah, man, better close this baby. There we go. We should be Gucci. We got close to 1,000 in here, y'all, with that furnace. The cast iron furnace, man. Heater, whatever you want to call it. We got close to 1,000 in this baby. So, yeah, man. So I'm out here. I'm doing the work. I'm doing what I got to do, man, to make sure that when I put out these new videos, it's gonna be the best quality that I can, you know what I mean? Because I'm not a videographer and all of that type of stuff. I don't know none of that. However, I'm gonna make my videos the best that I can, you feel me? So, once I get this, well, y'all gonna start seeing me implementing some of it into my videos here soon. But once I get that new GoPro, I think I'm gonna get two. I think I'm gonna get two GoPros, man. I'm gonna get a GoPro 12. I seen a GoPro 12 for $250, and then I seen the GoPro 13. It came with all the accessories for $500. I think I'm gonna get both of them, and then that way I can have, when I be breaking down stuff or whatever, I can have. Because I want to have a camera on my chest instead of on my head. I'm going to see how that looks, because I see a lot of the times in the videos, my camera, sometimes it be a little too low. So I want to make sure y'all seeing everything I'm seeing, man. So I'm going to tinker around with that, figure that part out, man. I'm going to tinker around with it, because I want to make sure y'all seeing everything I'm seeing. Because I noticed in that video, where I said chickens in a jet ski. You couldn't even see none of the chickens. And it was chickens running all over that damn place, man. And another problem that I'm having with this GoPro in particular is that this baby keep freezing up, man. And so when I was going through all my videos, a lot of the videos I had to delete, man, because they was froze. You know what I'm saying? So, and then I just went through some more videos yesterday because I was making some videos last night. And so while I'm going through them videos, I found some more videos that was frozen, man. So there's a lot of good content that I couldn't even use because the videos froze. Like, for example, my the passenger side, the driver's side rim on my trailer fell off while I was driving. You know what I mean? It just fell off, which is crazy. It fell off. And so I'm driving. It's me and my nephew. I had my nephew in the car. Me and him driving to the, we on our way to the damn, to the mechanic, man. We driving to the mechanic with a rim missing. And we just got done scrapping. We had got done scrapping. There was a place down the street we just passed it. They be giving away free food. You know what I'm saying? So me and nephew went over there because they had some potatoes and some other stuff over there, man. So we stopped over there to grab it. We getting ready to leave, and the lady says, your tire came off. I said, what? I look out the window and see my damn tire rolling away and shit. And I was like, hold on. And man, the lug nuts and everything was still attached to the axle. The tire the whole rim and tire just came off, man. And I was like, what the hell, dog? And so we didn't get none of that footage, man. All of that footage was froze. All of it was froze, man. The only part that didn't freeze is when my battery died and I made it to the mechanic. And so I was showing him it. That's the only part that didn't freeze, me coming to the mechanic and showing him what the hell happened to my thing, man. But it was rubber. The rubber was burning on the other tire, man. It was smoke everywhere, and like it was crazy, man. So I didn't get, like, it was a lot of good footage that I had, man, that I had to just delete because it didn't. I just couldn't. The video froze, man. So it's unfortunate, man, but it is what it is. So hopefully with this newer GoPro, man, I won't have these freezing, you know what I'm saying, these freezing issues, because this GoPro, man, especially in the summer, that baby get to overheating and it'll shut off, and I don't even be knowing that it's shutting off, and I'm just working, and I'm working, and then boom, I realize the camera ain't even on, man, and that baby hot as hell. And so I be missing out on a lot of content, man, because of this GoPro malfunctioning, man. So I needed a new one anyway, and I said once I hit 1,000 subs I was gonna get me a new one, man. So we finna get to it. Chill.